is Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make homemade chicken nuggets. My style chicken nuggets, which will be very simple and very delicious. And along with that, I'm going to make some baked fries. And both of these recipes will take minutes to make, and you will have a complete meal for you and your whole family. And I assure you that all of you will love and enjoy this, especially the kids. So I'll be back in a minute to show you how to make these two delicious and simple recipes from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. Hi, welcome back. I have the chicken nuggets and the baked fries right in front of me. They both look very delicious, and I'm going to try a piece, and I will let you know about the taste of these two delicious recipes. I have some ketchup, so I'm going to dip it in the ketchup and the chicken nuggets is very delicious, crispy on the outside and juicy and soft on the inside, and that's how you want your chicken nuggets. I love the flavors going on in these nuggets. Didn't put a lot of spices in it, if you notice that, but still it's very, very delicious and flavorful. I'm gonna try the fries. Just gorgeous, very delicious. I like the rosemary on these, and as you saw, nothing on these, just the salt and rosemary and a little bit of olive oil. This is very, very delicious and very simple to make, as you saw. So that's all for today. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Goodbye.